Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I've got a game-changing trick for you that will revolutionize the way you lock your applications on your Samsung Galaxy phone. As we all know, Galaxy phones don't come with a default app lock feature, and finding a good third-party app with a seamless app lock can be a bit of a struggle. But don't worry, I've got a cool trick that will solve all your problems. Alright, let's get started. We need to do two things to make this trick work. First, you'll need to install an app called Shortcut Maker. It's a fantastic app that we'll use to create and lock our application shortcuts. Once you've got the app installed, we're ready to move. Here's how you can create a locked shortcut. Press and hold on your home screen. Tap on Widgets. Search for Shortcut Maker. Drag the widget onto your home screen. When you drop it, it'll take you to the Shortcut Maker app. Here's what you need to do next. Tap on Applications. Scroll down and find the app you want to lock. For example, let's say we want to lock the Gallery app. Tap on Gallery. Now, before creating the shortcut, make sure to check the box that says Shortcut Lock. This will enable fingerprint, PIN, or pattern authentication for the shortcut you're creating. Select your desired lock method, fingerprint, PIN, or pattern. Tap on Create Shortcut. You'll see the Gallery shortcut on your home screen, looking exactly like the default icon. Now, let's make sure the original app is hidden. Press and hold on your home screen again. Tap on Settings. Find and tap on Hide Applications. Select Gallery and tap on Done. When you go back to your home screen, you'll notice that the default Gallery app is no longer visible, but the shortcut you created is still there. Now, when you tap on the Gallery shortcut, it'll prompt you to authenticate with your fingerprint or PIN before opening. Pretty cool, right? This trick is a fantastic way to lock your applications without needing a dedicated app lock tool. By hiding the original app and locking the shortcut, you get an added layer of security that's both simple and effective. Make sure to follow the same steps for any other app you want to lock. And remember, this shortcut will appear just like the original app, so no one will know it's a shortcut with extra security. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this. See you in next video. Goodbye.